Assalamualaikum viewers, I hope you are well. So our gang is going to do painting today, but I don't know what they're up to. So start करते हैं. हाँ भाई gang, हाँ भाई छोटा gang. Purple? आपने purple color लेना है? Blue लेना?
Blue. मुझे blue चाहिए. मुझे blue चाहिए.
But we only got one blue.
Just one blue चाहिए. I want that paintbrush. I can't reach that. Yellow. Yellow. I want yellow. Oh, we need here.
ऐसा करेंगे ना, इन्हें सेंटर्स में रखेंगे, तो आप लोग सब शेयर कर लेना. Okay? Yellow. Asa, what are these colors?
Yellow.
Yes, but what type of colors?
Primary.
Primary.
Yeah.
तो secondary colors कौन से होते हैं?
Purple, orange and green.
कैसे पता है आपको? कैसे बनाते हैं secondary colors?
With primary colors
Hmm.
like blue and yellow, green,
Yes.
red and blue, purple,
Hmm.
and yellow and red, orange.
Okay. So we're gonna mix them up, yeah?
No, red and blue later.
Right. So finally, yellow one is open. So here we've got the yellow.
Is that okay? White ketchup. Yellow is white ketchup.
हानिया आपका ब्रश. हानिया ने कौन सा कलर लेना है?
Yellow.
नहीं येलो लेना तो डालो इसके अंदर येलो.
मैं फिंगर प्रिंट्स करूंगा ऐसे छोटे.
दिखा.
I want red. I want blue. I want blue. Okay, I'll go for red. I'll go for red. Yellow, blue भी.
ब्लू भी. चलो आपको भी डालेंगे. येलो भी, येलो भी. What are you making?
I'm making orange, but we don't have secondary colors, so we are going to use yellow and red.
Okay, let's see that. So we haven't got a secondary color. We haven't got the green one. So for Hania, we mixed the yellow and the blue, and see, it's turning into green. Yay! Hafsa, ye dekho. So Hania's got green color. So this is another secondary color, guys. This is how you can make secondary colors from primary colors. So you mix the blue and the yellow, and that turns into green. Yellow, Hania. So yeah, that's got orange color. What colors did you mix?
Red and yellow.
Red and yellow turns into orange. You need the red one. Hafsa, आपको नहीं प्राइमरी से सेकेंडरी कलर बना रही?
मैं पर्पल बना रही हूँ.
ओह, अरम ने भी ग्रीन कलर बनाया है.
Okay,
अरम
now
ने भी ब्लू एंड येलो को मिक्स करके ग्रीन कलर बनाया है. वेल डन अरहम.
मुझे ब्लू दो.
ब्लू चाहिए.
चाहिए चाहता. बाबा.
यस.
It's in green.
Yellow. And what are these guys?
Sponge. We need to print it out. Print it with this punch.
Okay.
That's red. Mama, I'm going to do this. Okay.
So that mix करना है green में. Okay. चलो मिक्स करो, अब इसे देखते हैं क्या बनता है. रेड को मिक्स करो सेकेंडरी कलर में.
Need the green.
कौन सा कलर बन रहा है?
Mama, brown. Yeah.
जब ना
Black. Black. Black even here.
Oh, it turns into black. So that was a secondary and a primary color.
Wait, can I have it? Orange is here. Wait, I need this.
Okay, इसमें आनिया ने भी मिक्स करना है. येलो मिक्स करेगी आनिया ग्रीन में. तो प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी कलर.
Don't I?
चलो आनिया मिक्स करो.
आप ये ले लो.
Not like this. इस साइड से मिक्स करो. ऐसे. Let's see क्या बनता है. ये. हाँ उससे कर लो.
What? It turned
मजीद
into black.
डार्क ग्रीन हो गया.
Black बन गया मेरा. हेलो. Black बना है. ये
अच्छा, आपने कौन से मिक्स करके बनाया?
रेड एंड ब्लू.
और कौन सा कलर बन गया?
पर्पल. थोड़ा सा डार्क है तो आपको नहीं नजर आएगा.
दिखाओ, पेंट करके दिखाओ. पेपर पे पेंट करके दिखाओ. Wow, that is purple.
चलो मैं अंदर.
Oh, well done, Hafsa. Hafsa is apparently the well organized. Hafsa, I really like the way you pour the colors in this. What is it called?
What? This?
Yes.
It's nothing in it. Nothing is in this.
See what is gonna make.
He made
What is it?
hedgehog.
Huh?
Hedgehog. But it's funny. It's red. Hedgehogs are brown. And their faces are red or something.
Make something else.
Something.
What are you making, Hafsa?
A garden. Honey.
Is this a garden?
Honey.
It looks like an ocean.
No. This is the blue sky.
Anya has made some big green dinosaur or dragon.
Or a monster. Aham is very funny. It's like nothing. So I made these dots like fingerprints, like black, blue, red, orange, green,
They look awesome.
and blue and orange.
They look great, Ata.
Black,
Beautiful.
yellow.
Beautifully done. You look like a fingerprint expert. Anya, are you ready? You got the blue one, you got the green one. Let's print your fingerprints. Oh, Anya ka green mini hand, wo Ata ka Aram ka hand.
I'm going nahi hai hand.
Do once more. Yay! 2 hands for Hania. Well done, Hania. So guys, Aram has mixed all the 3 primary colors, blue, yellow and red. And now we are going to fold it and see what happens. Press it.
Black.
Press it.
Black. A little bit black. It will be mixed. I know. Yeah.
Let's see what happens.
Black.
Wow! Well done, huh?
I said it's just black, but it will feel. It's a
Look at that!
It's like a butterfly.
Wow!
Real. With our fingers and a tree with the brown color. So we don't have brown, so we mix green and red to make brown. And these are cherries. And yeah, green.
Hafsa, what are you making? This looks like a rainbow.
I know. I just
Wow.
want to make a rainbow.
This looks beautiful, and it looks like you have made a couple of secondary colors from primary colors. You got blue, you got red, you got orange, you got green. Beautifully done. Well done, Hafsa.
I didn't make orange yet.
Huh? No, this middle one in the middle is orange. Here.
Yeah, I know.
This is beautiful. What are you making, Arham?
Insect.
Insect? Okay. हानिया आप क्या बना रही हो? ये क्या बनाया है?
मटर.
हैं? वाओ, हानिया ने तो कोई पेंटिंग का शाहकार बनाया. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Well done, Hania.
Orange.
Oh. Let's see now what Atha's gonna do. Come on, show us, Atha. He's gonna do some magic with these colors. Let's see what he's gonna do. Come on, show us. Hurry up. What's happening there?
Ta-da!
Check out Atha's one. Wow, this looks like some big joint insect. What is this?
This is a rainbow.
Is this a rainbow? It looks, to me, it looks like a big insect.
It's a butterfly.
What have you done? This is a giant insect.
How about this?
This looks like some
Red.
big giant
Yeah, but this is
insect.
a butterfly. Kind of.
Hafsa's got rainbow, and I love Hania's one. That looks like, seriously, that looks like some serious painting, some artwork going on here. Hania, क्या बनाया है? क्या बनाया मेरी बेटी ने? Oh. अच्छा जी, तो ये हमारे पास इन सब के आर्ट वर्क्स आ गए हैं. तो सबसे पहले अता से स्टार्ट करते हैं. अता ने ये 3 बनाए हैं. Here he's got his fingerprints. He's got the tree with the nice greenish and brownish color there. और ये इसने बड़ा ज़बरदस्त किस्म का थर्ड जो है ये आर्ट किया है. सारा जो है ना, मुझे तो किसी मूवी का जो है वो डिज़ाइन सा लग रहा है, लेकिन बहुत ज़बरदस्त तरीके से इसने किया है. ये बीच में रेड कलर का कम्बिनेशन दिया है सेंटर में, और साइड्स पे इसने प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी कलर्स को मिक्स करके जो है वो डार्क ग्रीनिश ब्लैकिश कलर यूज़ किया है. अच्छा, यहाँ पे अब ये हफ्सा रेनबो उसे काफ़ी पसंद है, तो दैट्स रेनबो. Nicely done that with different primary and secondary colors. And he also made this one, which I really loved it. You know, it does look like a fish to me, but with a very nice colors and very nice combination. So personally I loved it. It looks beautiful. Very nice color combinations. And Arham did the same thing here. He made a fish, again using different primary and secondary colors, and nicely done. So हानिया ने तो जो बनाया है ये बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त किस्म की पेंटिंग लग रही है मुझे. अगर आप इसे देखें तो ये प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी कलर्स का कम्बिनेशन है. एंड in the middle you can see it looks like a woman to me, with an arm on the right top corner. तो एक ज़बरदस्त किस्म की जो है वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी पेंटिंग सी बनाई है उसने. प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी कलर्स का कम्बिनेशन है और बहुत ज़बरदस्त किस्म की चीज़ बनाई है. तो हानिया लुक्स लाइक एन आर्टिस्ट हियर. So here you can see Ata's paintwork, Hafsa, rainbow, Hafsa's colorful fish, Arham made a really beautiful fish here, or Hania ka artwork. So thanks for watching, hope you like it. There's a lot of activities you can do with your family and friends, so stay safe and keep watching our videos.